Hi, welcome to 4 Minute Friday Fun with BCSC Tech. I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Today we're going to learn about Google Docs.
Yes.
Google Docs has a lot of good tools to help engage students, and it's also going to be a tool where they can express what they know. But there's a lot of great UDL tools built within it that we're going to show you.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to insert a table of contents. So you want to make sure that you have a place for it to go. You want to go to Insert, Table of Contents, shocker. And then it shows you whatever you have linked to headings. So to link a heading, you have to highlight it, go to Format, Paragraph Styles, and you can choose heading 1 through 6. Once you apply it, and then you come back up here and you refresh, it'll put it in here. So when you click on one, what do you think is going to happen?
I think you're going to go there. How cool
And
is
it'll
that?
take you there. Awesome. So next thing, if you want to insert a picture, so let's look for a picture of a golden retriever. Now I don't have one on my computer, so we're going to go to search, and we're going to search golden retriever.
Excellent.
There it is.
And it'll put it right there.
And it'll put it right in there. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want, if you want it to take up your whole page. And there's your image. Nick, what are you going to show us?
All right, so another thing you can do is a Labrador. Well, what if you have a student that doesn't know what it is? You can select the word and right-click on it and click Define. So then it'll actually give a definition of a Labrador, which is nice.
It's like a built-in dictionary.
Yeah. Or you can right-click on it and research it. And there's all sorts of...
You can get images from there also.
Yeah, you can get images from here. But let's say, after you've read one of these, dog time, you can actually insert the link and cite it.
Hyperlinks it right
there. Hyperlinks it, and you can cite it, and it'll put the site on the bottom of the page right there.
Wow.
So a very handy tool that your students can use for that. So what else can Google Docs do for our kids?
Well, there's one thing that I used a lot while I was teaching, and that was force a copy.
Okay.
So if you want your kids to have this document for them to type on, but you obviously don't want 26 kids typing on the same document, if you go to Get Shareable Link, when you get the shareable link and you are putting it into whatever, instead of this edit at the end, you need to type in copy, and then when the kids go there, it will force them to copy the document. So they make their own copy.
So they're not all editing your original.
Right. They make their own copy that goes into their drive.
Oh,
pretty cool, huh?
That is a handy tool.
Yeah.
So here's another thing you can do too is, let's say for under Pitbull, it does have a tool that will allow you to do voice typing. It also has word count, but voice typing and translate. But
that's cool.
Voice typing is, are you ready?
So yeah. I have a friend who has a pit bull mix named Cooper! Exclamation point.
How good is that?
That is awesome. It's exactly what I said.
Yeah. You can translate it as well into about any language you want. So translate document. It will make a new copy of it, but it has a ton of languages that you can choose from and pull from. There are also, I think, a lot of other great add-ons. Mm-hmm. Some of the add-ons,
add-ons.
It's kind of like an app that you can add to it, but there's lots of cool tools built in that will allow you to organize your doc a little better.
There are a lot of them for like citing sources and all that stuff.
And again, it's a Google Doc, so you can share it with anybody and give them rights however you want. Everybody can be on the same thing or not. And then you can always see who did what under this all changes saved in Drive, and it'll give you everything. And you can even go into show more revisions, and it'll tell you down to the minute. So it's another big accountability piece as well as if you are looking to see when they last edited the doc.
Neat. You got anything else for him?
Nope. Thanks for joining us.
Happy Friday.